brother hammered sickles in a sickening reply. The bloods of our brothers, their liberators claim that the storm had saved them from the rain. A hypocrisy of shame. Have they no shame in their con game? The lies remain in the land of rain. Speak truth to pain, will not refrain. Children sing again in the land of rain. The fountain pen had dripped his name upon each yellow page. His order was delivered in a blackened fit of rage. But you and us, their fate was sealed, though they claimed to be no rape. The ghetto gathered all the lambs for slaughter they would take. And they no shame in their con game. The lies remain in the land of rain. Speak true to pain, will not refrain. Children sing again in the land of rain. Our children gathered faithfully, their teacher young and fair. She dressed them in their finest and had washed and combed their hair. They sang their final song, they studied their last course, and they flashed their only photo, posed upon a rocket horse. Have they no shame in their con game? The lies remain in the land of rain. Speak true to pain, will not refrain. Children sing again in the land of rain. The freedom fighters gathered inside our children's homes. They drank and laughed and played some chess with pieces from our bones. Their parents' bodies plunged beneath the pits in their barrage, while all the townsmen gathered for some fun in the garage. Have they no shame in their con game? Their lies remain in the land of rain. Speak true to pain, will not refrain. Children sing again in the land of rain. Behind his bright blue eyes there lay a waste of withered souls. The thousands lay contorted, etched upon our burning scrolls. The heavy earth above us heaved as we breathed and wailed and cried. For weeks our moans were heard below, until at last we died. Have they no shame in their con game? Their lies remain in the land of rain. Speak truth to pain, will not refrain. Children sing again in the land of rain. Imagine all the people, their progeny long gone. Bobby stayed forever young, Barry never wrote the songs. Lenny missed his secret chord, there's no wind beneath Bet's wings. Yasha didn't touch the violin, never saw Al's whole film sing. Have they no shame in their con game? The lies remain in the land of rain. Speak truth to pain, will not refrain. Children sing again in the land of rain. The leaders wear sad faces in the farce of masquerade. They taunt the neighborhood bully when the monuments are made. A house of cards, a lair of lies, an iron wolf in a sheep's disguise. History stop at these callous skies. So heed a well or worse of the wise. Have they no shame in their congregation? The lies remain in the land of rain. Speak truth to pain, will not refrain. Children sing again in the land of rain. Who is Silvia? What is she? That all our blessings grant her. A woman of valor who can find the valiant of her mothers. A testament anew, a generation healed. Our children's voices sing again. The truth has been revealed. Have they no shame in their congregation? Their lives remain in the land of rain. Speak truth to pain, will not refrain. Children sing again.